Hello and welcome back to a new short video here on the channel. Yeah, like the title says, today we're gonna take a look at how to not run over a moose. A reindeer. It was a close call, and you can judge by yourself how good they melt in, or not melt, but blend into the nature, because I was a little late to react, but I did, and the Volvo did its job, and the reindeer is still a happy reindeer running around in the woods. And yeah, so I'm gonna play the clip from my Russian Rus camera, my dash cam, and you can see for yourself. So yeah, enjoy the clip. Yep, that was exciting stuff, I hope. Not much is happening. It's a boring type of driving. This time of year it's not much happening. The snow is melting away, and we are driving mostly from cuttings that are taking place near the big roads, like in the asphalted roads. We shall see whenever something else exciting happens. You never know what exciting stuff will come out of this channel. Just remember to stay tuned. Yeah, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next, hopefully exciting, or at least something to watch kind of video. Have a great weekend and take care, and bye bye.